It's simple time and this is Chef Tatong at magluluto naman tayo ng isang masarap at simple na recipe. Let's get cooking!
Simpol, simpol. Luto na, ha, ha.
Pandan fried chicken is one of the most popular Thai dishes known the world over. So gagawin natin siya today and we will make it very simple so you can do it at home. So sisimulan natin, meron tayo ditong 700 grams of chicken fillet. So we're using leg quarter fillets from fresh options. We just divide it into 2 per piece. So magiging 6 pieces tong ating chicken thigh fillets. Originally, 1 kilo to na chicken leg quarter. When we remove the bones, naging 700 grams siya. Yan, just put it back into our bowl. And we will marinate our chicken here very simply. So we will use soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of Jufran thigh patties. So we're using thigh patties for this recipe. 1 tablespoon as well. And 1 tablespoon of Dato Puti oyster sauce. So, sobrang linamnam ng ating marinade. 3 kinds of pangpaalat. And to balance that flavor, we're going to add calamansi. So, we're adding 4 tablespoons of calamansi into the marinade. We have 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. And 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. And 1 teaspoon of white pepper, ground white pepper. So we just marinate this. And we just add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Once that's done, we just mix everything together. Yan. And we will begin to wrap our chicken with our pandan leaves. So I have some pandan leaves over here. Be sure to wash it. It's very important that you rinse it properly kasi dito sa edges niya, sometimes may sand. And we will begin to wrap, no? 1 piece of chicken per leaf. So we get 1 piece of chicken. We kind of roll it, no? Roll it. So it's a good enough serving size. Hindi siya masyadong maliit. Tuck the loose ends. And you just wrap around. Like that. And fold. And go the opposite way. And with a toothpick, no, you just secure the end. Yeah. So that's very easy to do. Yeah. So you see that we've already wrapped our chicken, but we are not going to fry it directly. Yung gagawin natin, isi-steam natin yung ating chicken. So I have my steamer, it's boiling. Yan. Very hot na yung ating steamer. We're going to steam the chicken pieces for 8 to 10 minutes until it's cooked through. So that when we fry it later on, wala na tayong worry. Sigurado na tayong luto siya. And our chicken is cooked. And we'll just put it aside to cool down for a bit. Yan. So, wala na tayong worries na mahilawan ng ating fried chicken. Is because it's already steamed. Let's just cool that for a minute. So we've allowed our chicken to cool down and our oil to heat up. So eto siya, we'll just drop the chicken into the hot oil. Isa-isa. Yan. And we're frying. Yan. So hahabulin na lang natin dito ay ang color. No? We want a golden color. And our chicken is almost done. It's golden and beautiful. It's simplicious. Yan. Wala tayong worry na hilaw kasi cooked na siya when we steamed it earlier. And the flavor of the pandan has already infused itself into the chicken. So, alam natin, hindi lang masarap pero mabango siya. Yan. Look at that. Beautiful. And I'll prepare my plate. And of course, hi. Alam mo, ito siya. Masarap to siya with Jofran, sweet chili sauce. Yan, meron tayo, of course. Yan, perfect, perfect yan. Ready. And we're ready to arrange into our bowl. Yan, so you have to remove the toothpick, guys. Don't forget to remove the toothpick. Yan. Remove that. That is our Pandan fried chicken, guys. It's part of our Simpol cookbook series. Try it at home. And tandaan nyo, kahit sino kaya magluto, basta simple! Mga ka-simple, remember, loving is sharing. Kaya share this video and like nyo na rin. Kain muna ako. Bye!